How to clean a Bissell vacuum filter. First thing is, if you have another vacuum or a shop vac, you can use a shop vac or another type of vacuum. But if you don't have another vacuum on handy, or this is the only vacuum that you actually have, you can actually go and bang out the filter, all the dust out outside, and you also can rinse it out. But I have another vacuum with me, so you will go like this, see all the dirt. Make sure we get the sides like this. Also get this side also. So I would recommend banging it outside, not inside. That's how you clean a Bissell vacuum cleaner filter.